Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy Fidelity ETFs. If you're looking to invest in exchange-traded funds through Fidelity, you're in the right place. First, you'll need to open a brokerage account with Fidelity if you don't already have one. Visit their website and follow the prompts to create your account. You will need to provide some personal information, including your address, social security number, and employment details. Once your account is set up and funded, log into your Fidelity account. Navigate to the Research tab at the top of the page and select ETFs from the drop-down menu. Here, you'll find a list of Fidelity ETFs, and you can search for specific funds you are interested in. Each ETF comes with detailed information, such as performance history, expense ratios, and dividend yields. So be sure to review these details to make an informed decision. After selecting the ETFs you want to buy, click on the Trade button, usually located in the upper right corner of the page. Enter the ticker symbol of the Fidelity ETF you wish to purchase, along with the number of shares you want to buy. You can also review the order type, such as market or limit orders, to specify how you want the transaction to be executed. Once you've reviewed everything, confirm your order. Finally, monitor your investment by checking the performance of your ETFs regularly. Fidelity provides tools for tracking your portfolio and performance over time. Make sure to stay informed about market trends and any changes in the ETF you are holding to ensure your investment strategy aligns with your financial goals. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to buy Fidelity ETFs.